Hello friends, this is Edward, a 30-year-old man living in Los Angeles. But he has a serious problem: he can never sleep. One night, feeling extremely exhausted, Edward went to bed as usual, hoping to finally fall asleep. To his surprise, he found a book on his bed. He opened it and discovered, "Goodbye to Deadly Insomnia, 3 Secrets to Help You Sleep Like a Baby Every Night." Come along with Edward as we explore these secrets. Secret number 1, your room might be your enemy. Most people blame their minds for insomnia, but the truth is that sometimes your room is the main reason you stay awake all night. Imagine this: a warm room, soft light from night lamps, your phone blinking constantly. Even if you try to relax, your brain says, no time to sleep, it's still daytime. The solution? Turn your room into a sleep sanctuary. Keep it slightly cool, as dark as possible, and completely quiet. Use blackout curtains, sleep masks, or even earplugs if noises disturb you. Over time, your brain will associate this space with calm and rest, and it will automatically start shutting down every night. You'll notice a difference from the very first night, but consistency is key to make it permanent. Secret number 2, caffeine's silent revenge. Caffeine, the hidden enemy of insomniacs. You might think that an afternoon coffee won't affect you, but half of it remains in your system up to 6 hours later. Imagine drinking a cup at 4 p.m. 10 hours later, your brain is still in high alert mode. Wondering why you can't sleep despite being exhausted? Now you know why. The fix is simple. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Any caffeinated drinks, coffee, tea, chocolate, energy drinks, should be out of your routine after this time. Gradually, you'll notice your sleep is deeper and you wake up feeling more energized and refreshed. Secret number 3, your brain can't tell anxiety from wakefulness. Ever felt your mind racing even as your head hits the pillow? The reason: your brain can't distinguish between stressful thoughts and actual urgent tasks. Every worry, every what if, is interpreted as a real-time alert demanding attention. The result? You stay awake for hours while your body screams for rest. The fix: send your brain opposite signals. Before bed, breathe slowly, relax your body, and write down all your worries on paper. Every concern, pending task, random thought, put it on paper. You're telling your brain, everything is handled. Now it's time to rest. Over the next few days, your brain will calm down before sleep, and relaxation will come naturally. And now, let's recap. Make your room an ally. Cut caffeine early. Calm your anxious mind. 3 simple secrets, but together, they can change your nights and your life. Because sleep isn't just rest, it's healing, energy, and fuel for creativity. So tell me, which of these 5 secrets will you start tonight? Let's see who will be the first to finally say goodbye to insomnia.